warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me Amelia from the Law Study Program from class E. Here I will present a little material about my study program. First of all, I would like to thank you very much, the teacher of the English course, for giving me the opportunity to explain a little of the material that I have received. I'm a child. Here I will explain about criminal encouragement default through social media. In the development of increasingly sophisticated technology, a society is faced with information that really help its human role. With sophistication in today's modern era, law and forecasts are required to be careful and smart in handling cases, including crimes in cyberspace. With freedom and confidence, people often forget that in expressing opinions, one must maintain behavior and ethics in interaction through social media. Especially electronic media, through triggering and follow acts so as defamation, fraud, blasphemy, and so on. Judging from the criminal code, defamation, insurmount, and insult or blasphemy against someone. The right to freedom of expression through to media anything is a universal and fundamental right. Statement of opinion someone in the media can be subject to criminal case. In this case, the provision in Article 27, paragraph 3 of the ETE law. This was one case where someone made an insult through social media via private message to accessible to many people, but the perpetrator cannot strengthen Article 27 by paragraph 3 of the Law on Information and Electronic Transaction number 11 of 2008. Based on the background that has been described above, that another are interested to purpose research on law enforcement for the criminal of valuation good name through social media to take action on this problem. And then you can the problem is formulation of law. 1. How the regulation of criminal. 2. Their mediation through social media. 3. How the law influence adaptation through social media and the Nusa Tenggara Barat Regional Police Criminal Cassation. Regulation of the crime of defamation through the media social. Defamation through social media is criminal if you cause by making a statement by one of the parties feel aggrieved with result in the reflection and tarnishing of one's good name. Therefore, an insulting crime can result in prosecution criminal offense on the part of the party who feels insulted and must be proven true in the process. If of investigation by the police. In the criminal code, defamation is termed as insult, blasphemy against someone. This statement is consigned in book 1 of the criminal code, especially in article 310, paragraph 1, 2, and 3. In law number 11 of 28 concerning information and electronic transaction, article 27, paragraph 3, and person intentionally and without the right to describe and or transmit and or my access to electronic information and or electronic documentation that has a defamation charge. Law and enforcement of criminal defamation through social media. Law enforcement of of defamation through internet defamation through internet network carried out by law enforcement officer in the case in the police. However, the provisions regarding the duties and authorities not explicitly formulated formulated in the legislation associated with the police agency. The judicial system in resolve case of criminal acts of defamation through the media social, namely as follows. A. They are reports of complaints of defamation through social media. Insult or defamation can be processed legally. Therefore, as a complaint offense, what is allowed? Reporting on suspected defamation is only people who are victim desertedly. B. There are allegations of criminal events that have occurred. Elements that categorized as defamation must be met is 1. There are things or circumstances that are not right communicated via the internet. 2. The thing of situation about someone or something body. 3. The matter of condition is published the other people. 4. The publication cause harm to someone which is the object. C. There is an allegation of criminal event that has occurred temporarily or the time of the incident to explain the time of the criminal event occurs. With the time, the crime will give understanding when the crime occurred. D. The place or location of the crime of defamation. Investigating Institute for Criminal Acts from Defamation through Social Media has been running since the enactment of Law Number 11 of 2008 in the conjunction with Law Number 19 of 2016 concerning information and electronic transaction. Investigation of the term meaning by the meaning of obscene that's and investigation English or tactics Malaysia. Therefore, the national police is an institution that has the authority to investigate a criminal act in accordance with Article 1.2 of Law Number 8 of concerning the Criminal Procedure Code. Fraud is a state that plays a role in the process in under investigation because it determines whether or not it can be considered a criminal case. In the case of a criminal account of defamation, whatever the efforts in the goods used by suspect in committing criminal acts as accounts, email and password, call phone memory, call phone number used and computer, neatness testament, expert testament, letter, defamation, introduction and statement. Arrest, parallel to arrest, with detention, period of arrest is not long in the case of being contained. The arrest only takes place between the arrest of the suspect to the nearest police station. In Article 43, paragraph 3, namely search and or confiscation against electronic system related to against criminal acts must be occurred with the permission of the chairman of the local district. Based on an interview with the cyber investigator this Christmas Polda, Nusa Tenggara Barat, searches are carried out if the element of a criminal exploitation or our good name is fulfilled, while configuration is read out by taking data and tool used. After the file is the location, notice that the result investigation is complete by the procedure office. The authority to investigation has been submitted to the procedures office in this stage and of the police job. However, if the procedure office files the case test, a return of case files to be complete. This is due to the lack of evidence and author complaints making. The file does not meet the elements of the criminal of defamation good, so that investigator have to call an order. Pendes or send notice of termination or investigation to the forcing party is the stand in Article 10109 paragraph 2. Closing conclusion based on the result of research and discussing in this thesis. Then the compilers conclude that accessibility of electronic information that has a payload defamation has been regulated in Article 27, paragraph 3, number 11 of 2008, following Law number 19 of 2016. Amendment to Law number 11 of 2008 concerning information and electronic communication in the explanation of Article 27 paragraph 3, but there are legal conflicts between material article with an authentic interpretation where in the explanation or Article 27 paragraph 3, Law number 11 of 2008 stationed only in accordance with the article of defamation or in the criminal code means that the result must know by more than one person will in the material article that element transmit the in as a to play. However, investigator and a court obstainless in the enforcement criminal acts of defamation through private message, namely in the main article, one of the elements transmitting according to the explanation of Article 27 paragraph 1. To transmit is to send electronic information and for electronic documentation addressed to one other party through an electronic system well in the explanation of Article 27 paragraph 3. It must be in accordance with the law defamation in accordance with the criminal code, which must be in form of public so that investigators have doubt about ensnaring the perpetrator's crime. Suggestion 1. The role of the government to immediately revise law number 19 of 2016, coordinating amendment to law number 11 2008, coordinating information and electronic communication, mainly article 27 paragraph 3, considering that there are differences between the main article with explanation. Training to inform the ability of criminal investigator, cybercrime, and provide appropriate education and training means to inform the ability of cybercriminal investigator crime with in the Nusa Tenggara Barat policy. Society as technology user must be smart in a social media so that in expression opinions or comment on everything on social media anyway with the prevailing norms so as not good that entangled law. Maybe that's all can say. More or less, please forgive me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.